¿A dónde va usted?
Yo soy vendedor,
Ah, ¿son papas?
no vendiendo ropa.
Ah, ropa.
Yo vendo por ahí por las casas.
Ah, sí, caminando.
Caminando. A ver
No tengo espacio.
si-
Lo
Luego ya está
siento.
por allí cerquita.
Ah, ok.
Ay.
Not sure if I am really supposed to be here. Hola. God, no. No. There she went. And there she goes in, up. Whew. What a day. Okay, try again. Ooh. Slip straight into the ditch here. So even the stuff that looks dry, it's not. It's just as slippery. You know what I just realized? That was actually the first time I dropped Alaska. Hasn't happened yet, and I've already done over 5,000 Ks. And well, given the circumstances, it's not really surprising, is it? Oh. My rear is all over the place. Well, Alaska's rear. Let me clarify that. Oh, see, I'm riding sideways. Obviously my tires are completely caked with mud and I can't get rid of it. It's the next 10 centimeters and it's full again. So I have absolutely no traction, no grip, nothing. Oh man, this is madness. Madness. Oh. Maybe riding through water will help with getting rid of the mud in my tires. Not sure if that works like that. Probably not. No es fácil.
No, pero con esa sí.
Sí. ¿A dónde va usted?
Yo soy vendedor,
Ah, ¿son papas?
no vendiendo ropa.
Ah, ropa.
Yo vendo por ahí por las casas.
Ah, sí, caminando.
Caminando. A ver
No tengo espacio.
si- Luego ya está por allí cerquita.
Ah, ok.
Ay.
Bueno,
Bueno, que tenga buen viaje.
usted también, suerte. In between all of the struggling, I mustn't forget to admire the view. What a place, right? Oh, Colombia is so beautiful. They have everything here. Oh, a horse. It's not even impressed. It's like, yeah, whatever, I'm eating here. I just had a chat with this guy in front of me and he was like, I'm going that way also, you can follow me. He said the road is very good from here. So, wow, this is a massive river. Hui. Oh, they just cross it. Oi. Hola. Oh. Yeah, easy. Easy. Oh. If they can pass, it will be fine for me.
¿Quieres algo? ¿Te brinda algo un colombiano? ¿Quieres tomar algo?
¿Es su casa?
No, la casa mía está al otro lado.
Ah,
¿Quiere gaseosita? Sí. ¿Te regalo una gaseosa?
gracias.
Escolta desde por ahí, a ver.
¿Cómo estás? ¿Bien?
No, no tengo permiso. Nos vamos para Salento, ¿cierto?
¿Usted también?
¿Los colombianos te atienden bien o no? Que me regaló un galón de gasolina y ya lo llevo.
Ay. ¿A dónde va usted ahora?
Para Tapias.
Tapias. No sé.
¿Dónde vas a almorzar? ¿Cómo se dice almorzar allá?
Lunchen.
Lunchen, ahí sí mejor lunchen.
Ah, no, hoy no almuerzo.
No almuerzo.
No hay tiempo, es todavía más lejos.
Claro, a Salento está lejos.
¿Cuántas horas?
De aquí a Salento se echa en esa moto, echa 2 horas y media.
Ah, ok. Está bien.
Llega a Toche, en Toche pregunta, ¿usted conoce esta vía?
No.
No,
No conozco ningún...
Bueno, aquí coge esta, derecho. Llega a un caserío que se llama Toche.
Toche.
Ahí se desvía a la derecha.
Ok.
Ahí pregunta.
Ok. Yo regalo también algo para usted.
Bueno, regáleme algo pues.
Para tu... aquí, mi llave. Aquí. Es mío. Yo produce este. Let's go. Vamos. Dice.
Pero no me puedo ir. Me toca irme pero para allá.
Ay, qué pena. Chao.
Que te
Mucho
vaya
gusto.
bien.
Usted también.
Bueno.
Gracias.
Bueno.
Chao. ¿Es su perro? Hermosa. ¿Cuál es su nombre? ¿Cuál es su nombre?
Omar.
Omar. Mucho gusto.
Omar, el de reggaetón, ¿y tú? ¿Y tu nombre?
Norali.
Morali.
Ya. Que le va bien. Bueno.
Bueno, me alegro ver.
Gracias, chao. Adiós, que le vayan bien.
Yo la guardo.
All right, I am refreshed and ready to go again. So from here the road is a lot bigger and better, I think. Just saw that massive truck pass, so I'm now kind of on a bigger road. And Omar told me that it's 2.5 hours in bike moto. So it's now 12:30. So I'll make it in time, I think. Hopla. I've been climbing quite a bit again and almost 2,000 meters. So it also means I'm back in the clouds. Luckily the visibility is still pretty okay. What a route, eh? What a route! Sometimes I do wonder how did I find these roads? Oh, it's always just a guess. You just never really know what you're gonna get. And sometimes it's pavement, it's asphalt when I expect it to be dirt, and sometimes I think, nah, this should be pretty fine road, and it's just, well, pretty much what I've been riding this morning. So yeah, I guess that's the whole thing, right? The not knowing. Another waterfall. Wow, this route is amazing. It's amazing. Look at where I am riding. I think I am in Torche. I think this is it. From here on, this is really where the fun begins towards Salento. So still almost 45 kilometers. Hola. It's a very slow progress. I think I'm doing yeah, not even 25 kilometers per hour. So that's 2.5 hours total. That is probably pretty accurate. Hola. There we go. No. Gosh. Whew. Oh, that looks like a heavy load on that horsey. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Wow, you get like these palm trees, kind of. I don't know exactly what type of trees these are. They look a bit like palms. It's pretty high up because I'm at 2,550 meters. Did not expect to see trees like that here. I made it to Salento. Ooh, those last 20 kilometers were pretty tough. It was raining heavily and the road was, well, pretty much the same as before. There were entire rivers running down, coming down the mountain. But I made it. Oh, it's wow, it's busy here. I'm going to try and find a place to stay. Oh, I'm finished. Oh, what a ride. It was good, but it was hard work, I gotta say. It was hard work, both for me and for Alaska. But hey, let's see if I can find a warm bed, because actually it's cold. I now came down to 2,000 meters, but just on top of the mountain where I just came from, the last 20 kilometers was 3,000. And with all the rain and stuff, it's cold. It's cold. But look how cute this town is. Look at these houses. That's very cute. See, all of them are like this. I had no idea. And look, I love these paintings. Notaria. Paintings, I mean painted houses. Oh, there's also a hotel. There's a hostel here. Gonna see. Hola.
Hola, niña.
¿Tiene espacio?
¿Tienes reservación?
No.
No, pero sí hay un lugar para ti.
Muy bien.
Te abro.
Ok, gracias. Ya. Hi. Hey, hi. Hi, sweetie. You sweetie. You're a sweetie. Oh, you're a beautiful dog. You're a beauty. Right, this is my room for tonight. Pretty nice and big. I think I'm just gonna end this video here now because everything is wet, everything is dirty, I am hungry. So I just have to sort myself out after this day. But what a ride, what a ride. It was another one that I won't easily forget. And I actually just inquired about those palm trees, kind of these really tall palms that I passed on the way. They're native trees, and they're not used for anything or anything like that, because I was wondering, like, it almost looked like they were planted, but they're actually native. So that was pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool to know. Anyway, as I said, that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. See, I can't even speak anymore. Anyway, you know what to do, and I'll see you in the next video.